Since you've played the game already, you probably have a good idea how it works, but this video will cover it in a little more detail. So each wave starts with a chest being accessible to the player before the battle. All these chests here are the ones getting cloned into the game, with all the things that you put in them available to the player. When the player enters the arena, the 3 dispensers for that wave are cloned into the 3 cages in that back room. When an alien is dispensed in the cage, it is teleported to a random location in its assigned region of the map. The interval of time between aliens getting dispensed is a random time with a preset range based on the difficulty level. So as the difficulty increases, the aliens get dispensed faster. When all the aliens are dispensed, you'll see the message, "Keep fighting, you're almost done." This means that no more aliens are coming, and the ones remaining in the arena must be eliminated.